Example 7. Solve 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0 by completing the square. First, write the equation. 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. Make coefficient of x square is equal to 1. To make coefficient of x square equal to 1, we have to divide by 2. Dividing by 2 on both sides. 2x square by 2 x square minus 5x by 2 minus 5 by 2 x plus 3 by 2 3 by 2 equal to 0 by 2 0. Then coefficient of x எழுதுறோம். coefficient of x வந்து 5 by 2. அதை 2 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணோம். coefficient of x வந்து 5 by 2. அதை 2 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணா 5 by 4. இப்போ 5 by 4 ஓட ஸ்கொயர் ஆட் பண்ணோம். 5 by 4 ஓட ஸ்கொயர் சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணோம். adding and subtracting. Five by 4 the whole square. X square minus 5 by 2 into x plus 5 by 4 the whole square minus 5 by 4 the whole square plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. இப்போ இந்த ப்ளஸ் மைனஸ் கேன்சல் கூட பண்ணிக்கலாம். இப்போ எப்படி எழுதலாம்? x square minus 2 into x into 5 by 4 plus 5 by 4 the whole square minus 5 by 4 the whole square plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. பாருங்க 2 கேன்சல் பண்ணா 5 by 2 ஆயிடும் x. இப்போ x ஸ்கொயர் வந்து a ஸ்கொயர் 2ab plus b ஸ்கொயர். அப்போ இது என்ன ஆகும்? இந்த மூணு டேர்ம் சேர்ந்தது ஒரு ஃபார்முலா ஆயிடுச்சு. என்னது? x ஸ்கொயர் minus 2ab plus b ஸ்கொயர். அப்போ x ஸ்கொயர் வந்து a ஸ்கொயர். இது minus 2ab plus b ஸ்கொயர். அப்போ a minus b the whole square ஃபார்முலா இருக்கு. அப்போ x minus 5 by 4 the whole square minus 5 by 4 the whole square plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. இப்போ இந்த ரெண்டு டேர்ம் ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு எடுத்து போலாம். x minus 5 by 4 the whole square equal to இது ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணா 25 by 16 மைனஸ் இது வந்து அந்த பக்கம் மைனஸ் ஆயிரும் 3 by 2. இதை ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு எடுத்து 16 16ல 16 1 time 1 into 25 25 minus 16ல 2 8 times 8 into 3 24 equal to 1 by 16. Therefore x minus 4 by 5 the whole square. இந்த 1 by 16 வந்து ஒரு நம்பரோட ஸ்கொயர். 1 ஓட ஸ்கொயர் 1 4 ஓட ஸ்கொயர் தான் 16. அப்போ 1 by 2 whole square. இப்போ ரெண்டு பக்கமும் ஸ்கொயர் இருக்கு. Taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. அப்போ என்ன ஆயிரும்? இது வந்து ஸ்கொயர் பேரும் x minus 5 by 4 is equal to இதுக்கு plus or minus 1 by 4. இப்போ x minus 5 by 4 equal to plus 1 by 4 x minus 5 by 4 equal to minus 1 by 4. இப்போ x is equal to 5 by 4 plus 1 by 4. இங்கே x is equal to 5 by 4 minus 1 by 4. இது ரெண்டுக்கு LCM வந்து 4. இப்போ 5 plus 1 equal to 6 by 4. 6 by 4 na 3 by 2. இதுக்கு LCM x is equal to 4, 5 minus 1, 4 by 4 equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 3 by 2 and x is equal to 1 are the answers. Example A, find the roots of the equation 5x square minus 6x minus 2 equal to 0 by combination of square method. First write the equation 5x square minus 6x minus 2 equal to 0. Now make coefficient of x square is 1. For that, dividing by 5. Dividing by 5 on both sides. 5x square by 5x square minus 6x by 5 6x by 5 minus 2 by 5 2 by 5 equal to 0 by 5 0. Now take coefficient of x is 6 by 5. Then divide by 2 is equal to 6 by 5 into 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 5. Add 3 by 5 the whole square and subtract 3 by 5 the whole square. Adding and subtracting three by 5 whole square x square minus 6 by 5 into x plus 3 by 5 the whole square minus 3 by 5 the whole square minus 2 by 5 equal to 0. This can be in the middle term 2 into 3 by 5x plus 3 by 5 the whole square minus 3 by 5 the whole square minus 2 by 5 equal to 0. 2 into 3 6. இப்போ a ஸ்கொயர் மைனஸ் 2ab ப்ளஸ் b ஸ்கொயர் அப்போ a மைனஸ் b தான் ஹோல் ஸ்கொயர். இந்த மூணு சேர்ந்தது a மைனஸ் b தான் ஹோல் ஸ்கொயர். அப்போ x மைனஸ் 3 by 5 the whole square equal to இந்த ரெண்டு டேர்ம் ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு அப்போ இது 9 by 25 plus 2 by 5. இப்போ இது ரெண்டுக்கு எல்சிஎம் எடுத்தா 25. 25 ல 125 1 into 9 9 plus 25 ல 5 times 5 into 2 10. Therefore x minus 3 by 5 the whole square equal to 19 by 25. The 19 by 25 were root 19 by 5 the whole square. Root 19 square panna 19. 5 square panna 25. If you are taking square root on both sides, x minus 3 by 5 equal to plus or minus root 19 by 5. Therefore, x minus 3 by 5 equal to root 19 plus root 19 by 5 and x is equal to x minus 3 by 5 equal to minus root 19 by 5. Therefore, x is equal to 3 by 5 plus root 19 by 5. Therefore, x is equal to 3 plus root 19 by 5. This is a common denominator. 5 is a common denominator. Here also, x is equal to 3 by 5 minus root 19 by 5 then x is equal to common denominator 5, 3 minus root 19 by 5 are the answers. Example 9. Find the roots of the equation 4x square plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0 by the method of complete square. First write the equation 4x square plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Make coin of x square is 1. For that, dividing by 4. Dividing by 4 on both sides. Four x square by 4 x square plus 3x by 4 3x by 4 plus 5 by 4 5 by 4 0 by 4 0. Now add for coefficient of x is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 2 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணா 3 by 8. Add 3 by 8 the whole square and subtract 3 by 8 the whole square. Adding and subtracting 3 by 8 the whole square. X square plus 3 by 4 x plus 3 by 8 the whole square minus 3 by 8 the whole square plus 5 by 4 equal to 0. இப்போ இதை வந்து x square plus 2 into 3 by 8 x. இப்போ 2 8 cancel பண்ணா 4 வந்துச்சு plus 3 by 8 the whole square minus 3 by 8 the whole square plus 5 by 4 equal to 0. இப்போ இந்த மூணு டேர்ம்ல ஒரு ஃபார்முலா இருக்கு. a square plus 2ab plus b square. அப்ப என்ன வரும்? x plus 3 by 8 the whole square equal to இது வந்து மைனஸ் போச்சுன்னா ப்ளஸ் அப்போ 9 by 64 minus 5 by 4 equal to x plus 3 by 8 the whole square equal to இது ரெண்டுக்கு எல்சிஎம் வந்து 64 6 1 64 by 64 1 into 9 9 minus 64 to 4 16 16 into 5 80 x plus 3 by 8 the whole square equal to minus 71 by 64. See x plus 3 by 8 the whole square we got minus 71 by 64. It is negative. We don't know how to find the root of a negative number. Therefore x plus 3 by 8 the whole square cannot be negative. Cannot be negative for all real values of x. Therefore, the above equation has no solution. இதே இந்த ஆன்சர் வந்து ப்ளஸ்ஸாக இருந்தானா ஆன்சர் இருந்திருக்கும், ஆனால் நெகட்டிவ் வந்ததுனால இந்த ஈக்குவேஷனுக்கு ஆன்சர் இல்லை. Example 10. The area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meter is 1 more than twice its breadth. Solve by using quadratic formula. இங்க ஒரு rectangular plot கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. This is length, இது breadth. Here length is greater than width. Here the length is 1 more than twice its breadth. அப்போ breadth தான் கம்பேர் பண்ணாங்க. If the breadth is x meter, then the length is 1 more than twice its breadth. Twice breadth is 2x. 1 more is 2x plus 1. That is 1 more than twice its breadth. Breadth is x meter, length is 2x plus 1 meter. Now we have to find the length of the plot and the breadth of the plot. Let breadth of the plot be x meter. Length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth, 2x plus 1 meter. Area of the plot is equal to area of the rectangle, length into breadth. Area of plot is 528 meter square. So for length 2x plus 1 into breadth x is equal to 528 meter square. If multiply பண்ணா 2x square plus x minus 528 equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. We have to solve by quadratic formula. For that we have to find a. A is coefficient of x square, b is 1, c is minus 528. The quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now substitute the x is equal to minus b minus 1 plus or minus square root of b square is 1 minus 4a 2 into 520 minus 528 by 2a 2 into 2 is equal to minus 1 2 minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus minus to minus plus say 8 into 8 64 6 8 2s are 16 22 2 8 5s are 40 plus 2 42 by 2 into 4 is equal to x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 1 is 4225 square root of 4225 by 4. We have to find the square root of 4225. by square root is. This is இங்க இருந்து ரெண்டு நம்பரா இருக்கும். So இதுல highest square is 6. 36. Again 6. இப்போ ரெண்டு நம்பர் இருக்கு 25. இதை டபுள் பண்ணு 12. இப்போ இங்க 5 போட்டா இங்க 5. 5s are 5 5 12s are 60 625. Therefore square root of 4225 is 65 minus 1 x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 65 by 4. X is equal to minus 1 plus 65 by 4 or minus 1 minus 65 by 4. x is equal to 64 by 4 or minus 66 by 4. இதை 2 டேபிளில் கட் பண்ணால் minus 33 by 2. இதை 4 டேபிளில் கட் பண்ணால் 16. அப்போ x is equal to 16 or x is equal to minus 33 by 2. X is the width of the plot. This is not possible because length வந்து negative இருக்காது. Therefore, x is equal to 16. Now, what is called dimension of the plot? Length of breadth of plot. Breadth of plot 16 meter. Length of plot 1 more than twice its breadth. Twice its breadth is 32. 32 plus 1, 33 meter. How to check whether the answer is correct? Length of the plot 33, breadth of the plot 16, multiply, we will get area of 528. 33 into 16, 48, 48, so 528, so our answer is correct. Therefore, length of plot is 33 meter, width of plot is 16 meter.